welcome to a Florida Cemetery channel. I'm a Florida Golden Girl, your host. Today's travel adventure takes us on 13th Street here in St. Cloud, Florida. The purpose of this road trip and special request is I am going to Mount Peace Cemetery to film the grave of somebody that is dearly beloved by many people. So we have 1.2 miles and we're almost there. It's been a while since I've filmed in St. Cloud. I think it's been a couple years. If you go back to vlog number 49 and 50, I filmed Mount Peace. I filmed the Mount Peace Cemetery. It's quite a big cemetery. It's called Soldier City. Many veterans of the Civil War, World War I, II, maybe some in Vietnam and Korea, Spanish American are all interred there. And so I really enjoyed visiting. So we're going to go back and we're going to go and look at a few graves. So this is going to be an update. A lot of this is old things I remembered from when I was here. I've never lived in St. Cloud, but I've been here a few times. Some things change, some things never change.
Turn left on Orange Avenue. Turn left onto Orange Avenue. Orange Avenue.
It's an old Baptist church there.
Take your next right onto East 10th Street.
I don't like this place. I don't like St. Cloud at all.
Okay, there it is. Okay, folks. Coming up on both sides of the street is Mount Peace Cemetery. Now, I'm looking for Section K.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're in Section A right now. And a lot of military.
B.
Okay, we're in Section B. Section F. B, C. Okay. We're here. In Jewish tradition, it's always one thing where you take a rock and you put it on the person's grave as a sign of respect, which is what I've done in my behalf.